Peter Pan, the boy who never grew up. Once upon a time in London, there lived 3 children, Wendy, John, and Michael Darling. They loved listening to stories before bedtime. Their favorite story was about a boy named Peter Pan who could fly and never grew up. One night, while they were sleeping, something magical happened. Peter Pan flew into their room through the open window. He was looking for his shadow, which he had left behind on his last visit. Wendy woke up and saw Peter trying to catch it. "You're real," she said in surprise. Peter smiled and asked, "Would you like to come with me to Neverland?" Without thinking, Wendy, John, and Michael said yes. With the help of Tinker Bell, a tiny fairy, they flew out of the window and across the night sky, over the city and beyond the stars. Neverland was a magical island. There were mermaids, wild animals, and the lost boys, children who had no parents. Peter Pan was their leader, but there was also danger. Captain Hook, a mean pirate with a hook for a hand, wanted to catch Peter Pan. One day, Captain Hook kidnapped Wendy and her brothers. He took them to his ship and planned to throw them into the sea. But Peter Pan came to the rescue. He fought Hook bravely and pushed him into the water, where a big crocodile was waiting. The crocodile had once eaten Hook's hand, and now wanted the rest. After the fight, the children were safe. Peter Pan asked Wendy to stay in Neverland and be the lost boy's mother. But Wendy missed her home. So, with a heavy heart, Peter flew the children back to London. He promised to visit them from time to time, but he would never grow up. And so Wendy, John, and Michael grew older. But Peter Pan stayed young forever, flying in the skies of Neverland, free and full of adventure. Comprehension. Questions. 1. Who are Wendy, John, and Michael? 2. Why did Peter Pan come to their house? 3. How did they get to Neverland? 4. Who is Captain Hook? 5. Why did Wendy decide to leave Neverland? Answers are in the comments. Vocabulary. Never grow up means to stay young and never become an adult. Example sentence. Peter Pan never grows up and lives in Neverland. Shadow means a dark shape made when something blocks light. Example sentence. Peter was looking for his shadow in the room. Rescue means to save someone from danger. Example sentence. Peter Pan came to rescue Wendy and her brothers. Adventure means an exciting and sometimes dangerous experience. Example sentence. They had a great adventure flying to Neverland. Enemy means someone who hates or fights against another. Example sentence. Captain Hook is Peter Pan's enemy. Kidnap means to take someone away by force. Example sentence. The pirates kidnapped Wendy and took her to the ship. Bravely means doing something with courage. Example sentence. Peter bravely fought Captain Hook. Heavy heart means feeling sad or emotional. Example sentence. With a heavy heart, Wendy said goodbye to Neverland. Mini quiz. Who is Peter Pan's tiny fairy friend? A. Wendy. B. Tinker Bell. C. Michael. The correct answer is B. What does Captain Hook have instead of a hand? A. A sword. B. A hook. C. A glove. Option B is correct. Why did the children return home? A. They were bored. B. They missed their parents. C. Neverland disappeared. If you chose B, well done. That's correct. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.